When we read the book, and by the way, I got to credit Rudy because he kept pushing me. Read the book, read the book. You have to read this book. You have to read this book. Oh my God.
My best agent, right?
Yes. So I read the book, and I was floored. And I think that when we all collectively got together on this, it really changed the ethos of our company. Like, it really changed the focus because, we had been seeing this decline for so long. We had been seeing so many people come with these effects, and we're like, what the heck is going on? And then, this is when I contacted you. I mean, your work answered such a humongous why for us. The big question is, why? Why is this happening?
Why is this happening, and why don't I know about it?
Right. There's another factor that people are not talking or considering, and so when we read your book, it was like, this makes so much sense. This is very real. It's affecting everyday people. It's affecting you who's watching this, and it will affect your children. So, it's really important to talk about from guys and women in the field who are actually seeing this in reality.